What's up guys, this is Roman here, and pretty much all my life I've been dealing with JVC video cameras, actually starting with a tape one. And this time I decided, to get something more upscale, so I decided to go with Sony HDR-CX675. And it's a great camera. I promise I will do a video test later. But there's a couple of things I had to figure it out. So the camera is connected to the PC. So it stores files by the event or the date. So we go, for example, to this one, and usually you can copy, paste, delete certain videos from your PC. But here there's a copy option, but there is no delete option. So you cannot delete all these videos from the camera through your PC. Even if you go to the event, it will not allow you to delete. So there is only copy button, unfortunately, here. Okay, how can we delete multiple images at once? So we're in the menu now. We go to edit copy. We go to delete. Okay, select multiple images, movie, photo. So now here you have to select each video or image in order to delete, and that's going to take so much time. If you have I don't know, 200, 300 videos on it, it's just pain in the ass. Okay, so we go back to the menu, go to edit copy, delete. So instead of going to multiple images, click all the event. So this is an event, for example, that I filmed today. And I don't remember, there's like 15 videos or something like that. So we delete all of this. It asks delete all the images from this event. Hit OK. And this is the only way that you can delete a lot of or multiple images at one time. You have to do it in the camera only. You cannot do it on PC. I don't know about the Mac, but I'm pretty sure it's the same settings. And this is one thing that I don't like about this camera. So there's another factory setting in the camera. So every time you're going to be making video, it's going to record double files. So this is the same video. This is original file, and this is compressed MP4 file. So every time you're going to connect your camera to the computer, you're going to have this double files of the same video. And I do not want to keep that MP4 file. I want my original HD quality video. So how are we gonna set our camera in order to only record in the original HD file? Let's turn on the camera, tap on the screen, and right here on the left, that is a double recording feature. So tap it again. So we're gonna tap on that. So, and it says simultaneously records movies for sharing. So we do not need that MP4 file, so we're gonna turn that off. So now our double recording feature is off, as you can see. It says right here. So now your camera is gonna be recording only one original file, so you don't have to deal with those MP4 files ever again. And I just hope this video will help somebody, and as always, till next time, до следующего раза, товарищи.